Hello dosto, welcome back to my channel Bansal Biology. I hope you guys are doing very well. In this video we are going to learn about the tricks of hormone classification based on their chemical nature. That the hormones are made up of different substances like amino acids, peptide hormones, protein hormones. So there are number of hormones in each class. Like in amino hormones there are number of hormones. So it's really difficult for us to remember that which hormone is made up of which substance. Like if some hormone epinephrine is made up of which substance, it is a derivative of which substance. So in this I am going to make your difficulty a little bit easier, and it will be very easy for you to remember. In just some words your difficulty will become easier. So let's get started with the video. So the first hormones are the amine group. These hormones are made up of amino acids. As the name suggests, what are the amino acids? Amino acids are the simple molecules that will in future, if they combine together, they will form a protein. So in amino acid, here the structure of epinephrine, norepinephrine is shown. The norepinephrine is made up of an amino acid that is tyrosine. That is tyrosine. Okay, so here the amino acids here the hormones that are included are melatonin, epinephrine, norepinephrine, thyroxine. So the trick for this is very easy, that is mental. Only one word includes all the hormones that are included in the amine hormone. From M it's melatonin, from E it's epinephrine, from N it's norepinephrine, from T it's thyroxine, from A it's amine hormone, from A it's amine hormone, and from L it's nothing. Okay, so this simple one word has made your difficulty very easy. Next hormone are the peptide hormone. The peptide hormones are of peptide derivative. They are made up of amino acids. When some amino acids or less number of amino acids come together and join, they form a peptide. Here the structure of a peptide is given. So in this category, the hormones that are included are somatostatin, oxytocin, and antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone is also known as vasopressin. It is secreted from the pituitary gland. So for this, the trick is very easy. The trick is so. From S is somatostatin, from O it's oxytocin, from A it's antidiuretic hormone, and from P it's peptide hormone. And here the structure of oxytocin is seen that very less number of amino acid has made a peptide, and this peptide is known as oxytocin hormone. So the next hormones are the protein hormones. These hormones, as the name suggests, are made up of proteins. So what are proteins? Proteins are the long chain of peptides. When peptide is present in a longer chain, then it will be called as a protein in a simple language, and it is made up of finely amino acid. Here the structure of a protein is given. In protein hormones, the hormones that are included are human chorionic gonadotrophin, insulin, somatotrophin, thyrotrophin, parathyroid hormone, glucagon, and growth hormone. So the trick for this is very simple, that is his TP guide. For TP, it's time pass. TP is a short form of time pass. From his ka H is human chorionic gonadotrophin, from I it's insulin, from S is somatotrophin, from T it's thyrotrophin, from P it's parathyroid hormone, and from G it's glucagon as well as growth hormone. So we can write here G square. Here the structure of human growth hormone is also given. Next is steroid hormones. Steroid hormones are made up of cholesterol. These hormones are water insoluble and lipid soluble. In these hormones, the hormones that are included are progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol. These three are known as sex hormones, while this cortisol is secreted from the adrenal gland that is present above the kidney. So this is secreted from the adrenal gland, while these three are secreted from the sex glands, that is ovary and testes. So for this, the trick is very simple, that is pest control. So from P it's progesterone, from E it's estrogen, from S it's steroid hormone, the category which we are reading, from T it's testosterone, and from C it's cortisol. Very simple trick is this. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video has helped you a lot to remember the tricks. To to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, guys. Thank you so much.